the beach. Peppa and her family are going to the beach. Peppa and George love going to the beach. What a lot of stuff. We must be careful not to forget anything when we go. Sunshade, beach bag, towels, buckets, and a spotty ball. Good. Now, before you start playing, you need some sun cream on. The sun is very hot, so Peppa and George have to have sun cream on. Let's try out of this party ball. It seems to work. What a great sporty ball. George, you throw the ball to me and I will catch it. George, catch! Oh dear, George is too little to catch the ball. Never mind, George, would you and Peppa like to have a paddle in the sea? Yes, please, Daddy. Let's put your water wings up. There we go. You look very smart. In your water wings, George. There we go. You look very smart in your water wings, George. My turn. Good. Now we can play in the water. Hooray! Is the water cold? It's lovely and warm. Ah! Wahoo! Steadily on. You should start it, Peppa. What? Maybe it is enough splashing. Wee, Daddy. I love being at the beach. Peppa and George love the beach. Everyone loves the beach. Peppa, George, would you like to play with your buckets and spades? Yes, Mummy. Daddy, can you bury you in sand? Well, please, Daddy. All right. Yippee! Peppa and George are burying Daddy Pig in the sand. Steady on there. No, you can't escape. My head is getting a bit hot. Can I have my straw hat? Well, if you stay, please. Please, can I have my straw hat? Yes, you may, Daddy. That's nice. Maybe I can have a little sleep. George, make my sand castles. Peppa and George are making sand castles. First, we put sand in the buckets, like this. We turn the bucket upside down and tap it. I lift the bucket up. Hey, Bristol! Sandcastle. Hey, Bristol! And another sandcastle. Peppa, George, home time. Don't leave any stuff behind. Let's check that we have forgotten anything. Towels, beach bag, sunshade, and spotty ball. That's everything. I'm sure we have forgotten something. Of course, we have got a hat. Daddy, we forgot Daddy. Yes, we forgot Daddy Pig. Hey, what? Daddy, we almost left you behind. But George remembered you. Well, I'm glad you will remember me.